Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add camera or video capture in OBS Studio application. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have already opened my OBS Studio application on my PC. And first of all, if we want to add video capture, we need to click on this plus icon on the sources menu. And then here you just need to choose a video capture device. Okay, and then you can click on this OK button, and then you can choose the camera that you want to use. You can choose OBS virtual camera, or you can use your device camera, and I'm going to choose this camera. And then you can click on OK, and then the video capture or the camera will be added to the sources. And then you can make full screen like this. Just drag the camera, okay, and then don't forget to add audio input capture and also output capture, so your audio will be recorded like this. Okay guys, and that's all the way to add camera or video capture in OBS Studio application. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.